In front of me is Motorola Moto G86, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now you need to scroll down to hit Gestures. Then select one-handed mode. And if you are using gesture navigation, use this switcher next to use one-handed mode to activate it. Then click on Pull Screen into Reach and swipe down from the bottom of your screen. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same No Blue switcher. If you are using 3 buttons navigation though, this option will be unavailable. To still use one-handed mode, scroll all the way down and click on gray switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Tap on Got it and use this shortcut to enter and exit one-handed mode. You can hold your shortcut and place it wherever you want to. To find out more about this accessibility button, click on one-handed mode shortcut here. If you want to disable it, use the same No Blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!